In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Gemini 2.0 Flash to Cursor for free. This is a fantastic way to enhance your cursor's capabilities and tap into the power of Gemini's advanced features. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Alright, let's get started. The first thing you'll want to do is generate a free API key from Google AI Studio. This step is crucial because this key will give your cursor access to the incredible features offered by Gemini 2.0 Flash. To kick things off, head over to Google AI Studio, make sure you're logged into your Google account. Once you're in, look for the option that allows you to create a new API key. This is usually pretty straightforward. Just click on Create API Key. You'll see a generated key right there, which you need to copy. Remember, this is your ticket to accessing the features we want. Next, let's talk about how to configure your cursor settings. This is where we will input that shiny new API key you just created. Open your cursor application by pressing CMD/Control+Shift+J on your keyboard. You can also navigate through the menus to Settings, and then select Cursor Settings if you prefer. It's entirely up to you. Now, once you're in the cursor settings, scroll down to find the Models tab. This section will allow you to customize your cursor's functionality further. There's a custom model section where you'll need to create a new model. A great name to consider is Gemini 2.0 Flash or Gemini 2.0 Flash Express. Whatever you chose, make sure it's something recognizable for you. After naming your custom model, hit Enter to save it. This is an essential step, as this custom name will help you differentiate between different models you may want to create later on. Now that we've got the model set up, it's time to input the API key. Find the section for adding the Google AI Studio API key. Paste the key you copied earlier into the designated field. This tells your cursor exactly which services to tap into for enhanced functionalities. Look for any options to verify or enable this key after you paste it. You might need to click a checkbox or toggle a switch to ensure that the model is active. This final step is crucial because without verifying or enabling it, your cursor won't be able to utilize the features of Gemini 2.0 Flash. Finally, double-check all your settings. Make sure the model toggle is turned on. Take a moment to review everything to ensure that you haven't missed a step. Once satisfied, save your changes. And there you have it. You've successfully added Gemini 2.0 Flash to your cursor for free. With this setup, you're now ready to explore the enhanced features that this latest technology can offer. Do remember that the detailed functionalities of Gemini can interact differently based on how you've configured everything, so feel free to experiment with settings to see what works best for you. Thanks for hanging out with me today while we walked through how to add Gemini 2.0 Flash to Cursor. If you enjoyed this tutorial, go ahead and hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful guides like this one. Happy exploring with your newly enhanced cursor, and I'll see you in the next video.